and they found out, like after I'd been dating her for about a year, they found out that I was talking to someone. Then I was supposed to go see the bishop, but he was going to kick me out. I mean, I'd seen it happen to all my friends.
Someone told you?
Yeah, my dad told him.
Your dad told you?
Yeah, my dad told him that I was talking to a girl. And so I was supposed to go see the bishop. I had run away. I had been with a girl. And so I was considered wicked. I couldn't go back. I went down there, and right after it happened, I went down there, and I couldn't go in the house. Like, I slept in a tool shed out in the backyard for one night, and then after that I was left. But not much, because they just thought that I was the end of the world, that I had done this wicked thing, and I was going to hell.
Caught listening to a pop CD,
Yeah.
and they kicked him out of town for it.
You remember what music?
Aqua. I don't know if you know the band,
yeah.
but he got caught with an Aqua CD, which is chick music. I mean, seriously?
Yeah.
I was amazed. I was blown away. It's like, wow. You got kicked out.
Good when it hurts so bad, barely getting mad. I'm so glad I found you. I love being around you. You make it easy. It's easy.
Ο Στίβεν Μπέιτμαν γεννήθηκε στο Κολοράντο Σίτι, στα σύνορα της Γιούτα με την Αριζόνα. Το σπίτι του δεν έμοιαζε με τα υπόλοιπα στην Αμερική. Είχε 29 αδέρφια, φορούσε ολόσωμα εσώρουχα κάτω από τα ρούχα του και οι γονείς του πίστευαν ότι ήταν οι εκλεκτοί του Θεού. Ήταν μέλη της αίρεσης των φονταμεταλιστών Μορμόνων. Ο Μπέιτμαν είναι ένα από τα 1000 αγόρια που έχουν εξοριστεί από αυτή την κοινότητα.
I grabbed a stack of clothes and my girlfriend, and she snuck out of the house, and she came with me, and we ran. We came up here to Salt Lake, and they come chasing us because she was 17. They wanted her back. They didn't care about me. They're like, you can leave, I don't care. But they wanted her, and they actually finally found her and took her back. Yeah, so they took her back, and I was waiting until she turned 18 so I could get her again. And they married her